What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to wash and restore your wigs without using silicone mix. This is definitely a hack video. So first things first, we want to take our wig to the sink and then we're going to pour some warm water on it, or you could as well just use water from the tap. I'm going to add some more water so that the hair is totally wet, and then I'm going to go in with this shampoo and I'm just going to wet the hair some more and then go ahead to apply this shampoo all over the hair. So what I'm going to do is basically just squeezing the hair and just squeezing and massaging it. I really do not want to, like wash it and make the hair tangled or what. No, you do not want to do that. All you have to do is just concentrate on putting the product on the hair and then massaging it into the hair. And then I'm going to go into the cap, like inside the cap, and I'm going to put some more shampoo on the closure and the cap itself, and then I'm going to rub it in and rinse it out. I'm going to go back to the outer part of the hair and I'm just going to keep rinsing the hair. I'm going to rinse it till the water runs clear. So here is what we're going to use to restore the wig, because clearly it's already clean. Now you're just going to put a dime-sized amount, or you could even put the whole bottle if you want to, but I'm just going to put a handful of it and I'm just going to massage that throughout my hair. I'm going to keep doing it until everywhere is nice and saturated. I'm going to keep massaging, make sure that there are no tangles in the hair, and then I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and leave for close to 5 hours. You could boil it if you want to, but I really wasn't feeling the whole boiling thing, so I just came back after 5 hours and then I rinsed it out. I really don't think there's any need to wash it again with shampoo, so I just rinsed it out until the water was clear, and then I dried it. So to dry it, I'm going to use this hanger and I'm just going to peg the both sides and then I'm going to leave it hang and dry. So this is what my hair looks like after, and I've used this hair for a long time, almost 2 years, and it's still great. So let me know what you think of this method down in the comment section. Don't forget to share with your friends, and I will see you in my next video.